Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of today's video, today I will be unboxing the July Glossybox Aloha Edition box. I'm so excited to do this video for two reasons. First of all, because obviously I love doing Glossybox unboxings, but also because I will be continuing on to be a Glossybox ambassador. Some of you may know that I was part of the Glossy Circle, and that is going to be continuing on. So now, without much further ado, I'm going to go straight into the unboxing. So obviously this month's box is very summery. I absolutely love the box. I must say it is probably one of my favourite glossy boxes. It just looks so pretty, and I definitely will be keeping this one. So as always, the box comes with a product card which lists all of the products that you will get inside the box. I normally don't like to look inside until I've actually unboxed it, just because I really enjoy the surprise. But just before we move on to the actual unboxing, I just want to mention that normally on their product cards, on the back, they give you a little sneak peek of what you would be getting in next month's box. And I'm just going to read out what it says. So obviously next month it's Glossybox's birthday, and they're saying that next month we'll be celebrating our birthday, and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for you for almost 2 years is finally coming your way. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. That sounds really exciting, and so you must check back in next month to find out exactly what that is all about. So now let's move on to the unboxing. So the first product that really has grabbed my attention is this little packaging here, which matches the box, and this says it's in an Aloha bronzer, and it's by a brand called Give Them Lala, which I've never heard of before. But this is the exciting thing about Glossybox, is that you get to discover so many new brands that you've never heard of before. So this is what it looks like from the outside, and I'm just going to open it up. So here we have the bronzer. Again, it's quite a nice bronzer. For me, bronzers aren't just for the summer. I tend to use them throughout the whole year, just because I love looking like I've just come back from holiday. So yeah, it really looks like a pretty bronzer, and also is quite big as well, so it's probably going to last quite a long time. Up next we have a Deca Black Glow Drops. This is a highlighting primer for your face. Again, this is another brand that I've never heard of before, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Oh, so I don't know if you can see, this is what it looks like. So it does look like it really would give you a glowy base. For me, I personally wouldn't mind using this as a highlighter, just because I'm not a big fan of really sort of in your face highlighters, and this looks like it would be a very subtle highlighter, which I absolutely love, particularly in the summer when you're already kind of tanned. So yeah, but nonetheless, it does look like it would give you a really nice glow. So even if you didn't want to wear foundation but you had a little bit of a tan, this would really help you just to look a little bit more glowy. The third product is by Naobe, and this is an orange juice hand cream. I really love this brand, and I actually discovered it quite a few years ago through Glossybox. And honestly, they are so good. Just all natural and organic. I'm just going to open it up to see what it smells like. Oh my god, it just smells so good. It's just like oranges, which I absolutely love, and just reminds me of summer. It's a really large bottle as well, so it's a 100ml bottle, so definitely would last you quite a long time, and you can never have too many hand creams. So up next we have a lip and cheek balm colour, and this is by a brand called The Beauty Crop. I absolutely love the packaging. Look at these cute little coconuts, and I really love the pink as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like, which I think is so pretty. I love that shade of, it's like an aqua kind of colour, which is just so summery. And this is what the balm looks like. I must say that I'm not a huge fan of pink on my lips, but nonetheless I wouldn't mind using this on my cheeks just to give me a little bit more of a rosy glow. And finally we have a sheet mask, and this is by a Korean brand called Coco Star, and it's a watermelon sheet mask. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to use this. I absolutely love sheet masks. They're my favourite types of face masks just because they're so easy. You just pop them on your face, sit there for a while looking a bit scary, and then take it off. But yes, I haven't tried anything from this brand, but I'm sure I'm going to love it. So that is it. That is the end of this video. I really want to say a massive thank you for all of your support. I know a lot of you follow me on here because you enjoy watching these unboxings. And yeah, I hope that I will see you all very soon with my next one. Bye guys.